Hi guys, welcome to EJC's work. Today I'm going to teach you how to make LoHonGuo. 1. Take 2 LoHonGuo. 2. Wash the LoHonGuo. 3. Peel the shells of the LoHonGuo. 4. Fill in half the pot with water. 5. Put the pot into the pressure cooker.